Paying your T-Mobile bill online with a debit card is simple and secure. First, log into your account through the website or app. Navigate to the Billing or Pay Bill section. Review your current bill details, including the amount due and due date. Select debit card as your payment method and enter your card details: number, expiration, CVV, and billing address. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Authorize the payment and confirm. You'll receive an instant confirmation email or SMS. Monitor your bank statement for the transaction, which appears within 1 to 2 business days. T-Mobile secures your information with advanced encryption and tokenization to protect against fraud. Ensure you have sufficient funds to avoid overdraft fees, as debit payments draw directly from your account. For added security, enable two-factor authentication on your T-Mobile account. If you encounter issues like a declined debit card when paying your T-Mobile bill online, contact T-Mobile support immediately at 1-800-937-8997 or through their chat service. Before reaching out, double-check that your debit card details are entered correctly and that your billing address matches the one on file with your bank. Keep an eye out for promotions and discounts, such as auto-pay discounts that can lower your monthly bill. Be aware of potential scams. Always ensure you're on the official T-Mobile website or using the official app before entering payment information. Look for the HTTPS padlock icon in your browser's address bar to verify security. Since online payments are now the norm, with over 85% of T-Mobile customers paying digitally, staying informed and vigilant ensures a hassle-free experience.